आज we are in Sai Baba's Nazi with my daughter and my husband. Sai Baba's blessing has always been there with us. हम जहाँ भी जाते हैं साई बाबा हमारे साथ ही होते हैं. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि साई बाबा उन्होंने ही हमें गाइडेंस दी. जब भी उन्होंने गाइडेंस दी हम वो गाइडेंस के साथ ही हम चले. एंड अभी एक्सपीरियंस बताए तो बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस है बाबा के साथ. एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट योर्स विद साई बाबा. आपके साथ साई बाबा कैसे जुड़े एंड हाउ डिड यू come in contact with Sai Baba and how his blessings are working for you?
Initially speaking, when I went to the field darshan, I did not feel like anything, to be honest. I felt very much neutral about it. But then I went to the Dwarka night and वहाँ मैं जाकर रोई, बहुत रोई. क्योंकि I don't know, I mean, was it all my ego coming out? You can say that. So it was a very nice experience. And overall experience in Shirdi, I came after 2 years. And I talked to the shopkeepers and all of that. And they were talking about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and they were talking about his valor, they were talking about his integrity, and I felt jovial, I felt happy. And honestly speaking, I think if Sai Baba calls me again, I don't know if it is free will, if it is destiny. I haven't really experienced it. There's always a debate. But then, if it is destiny and if it is meant for me to come to Shirdi again, then this would be my first, I mean, you could say comfort place. Because honestly speaking, I am going through a phase in life where I have to decide on a few things, be it which exam I'll be giving or which courses I'll be attending. And it's hard not only for me, for any other average student, be it in India, be it all over the world. So I think that dilemma which every student is going through right now, I would highly recommend you to start following his footsteps. Because if you do, then I mean, he's always going to be by your side. He's never going to leave you. And yeah, I think it's good. I mean, honestly speaking, I have nothing to say more. Yeah, that's it.
Sai Baba's experience with everyone is totally different. People, they cry, they shed off their ego. So, as I've shared one experience of my daughter with you all, what happened with her in Dwarkamai today. So I would also introduce to people where I would love to know about the experience and share with everyone. So with this, I'm signing off. Om Sai Ram.